Is your roof in need of replacement? Are you tired of dealing with leaks and constant repairs? Look no further than Denny's Roofing LLC, your experts in roof replacement in Westminster, Colorado. Our experienced team is equipped to handle all of your roofing needs. We can assess your roof's condition and recommend the best solution. In addition to roof replacements and repairs, we offer skylight installation and gutter cleaning services. We take the time to understand your needs and provide personalized solutions that meet your unique requirements. We use only the highest quality materials, ensuring your new roof will be beautiful and long-lasting. We are dedicated to providing exceptional customer service and ensuring your satisfaction with every project. Don't just take our word for it, see what our satisfied customers say. Call us today at 970-808-0247, and a knowledgeable team will answer any questions. You can also visit our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/westminster-roofing-company to view our gallery of completed projects. Trust Denny's Roofing LLC for all your roofing needs, and let us protect what matters most, your home and your family.